Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Fresh and filling. If you're looking for an outstanding, easy to make sandwich, then this is the recipe for you. Sandwich has chicken, vegetables and cheese, and I grill it with some sesame seeds for toasted flavor and crispiness. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So these are all the ingredients which I'll be using today. I have some sandwich bread slices, I have boiled and mashed potatoes, then I have some cooked shredded chicken. I'll be using some shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use any other as well. I have some butter, chopped cilantro, and then I'll be using black and white sesame seeds. So first in the mixing bowl, add mashed and boiled potatoes, add chicken, cilantro, and then cheese. Now here you can add any other vegetables as well. Zucchini, squash, chopped onion, mushrooms, or whatever you want to add. But I use potatoes and cilantro only. Season it with salt and black pepper and mix everything and put it on the side. Now take one bread slice and spread your filling very generously on top of it. Then take another bread slice and press on top of it very gently so your filling and bread can stick together. Then spread some butter on top of the bread slice all around it. And then take some sesame seed and sprinkle your sesame seed on top of your buttered bread. Then again take the butter knife and spread gently so your sesame seeds can stick with the butter as well. Now take your sandwich to the stove, heat a fry pan and butter side down, put your sandwich on your fry pan and then press it gently with your spatula, and then you can put some plate on top of it. So this is the process actually where you don't need any panini maker or sandwich toaster and you will get the same crispiness. So just let it cook for a little while, and then on the other part just spread the butter and sprinkle sesame seed as well, like we did on the other side of bread. So after like around minute or two, it's time to flip our sandwich. So just flip it over and then again press it gently and then put your plate, and you can add some weight on top of your plate and then let it cook until it turns crispy and golden from the other side as well. Then take them out and cut it into triangles. While cutting, I feel the crunch. They are portable, easy to make and good for any time of the day. Make lunchtime more fun. A twist on a classic grilled cheese with veggies hidden inside. Your kids or husband, they won't even know they're eating veggies, and you'll be amazed to see kids eat with joy. If you try this recipe and make it at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. And don't forget to watch my previous videos.